There goes Gwen, eating her food off of the carpet because she's stupid and I dumped it out. Aha! Kick you in the butt. Hey, Gwen, say hi.
I'm talking to Becca. You know that girl, Becca, the one you were making fun of.
Gwen.
Yeah, talking about our favorite teacher.
Hey, Gwen. Hey, Gwen.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Hitting the floor.
Hey, Skippy.
Do you
Hello.
make videos of your dog?
Yeah. Look at Gwen eating her food. Come and bother her, Elizabeth.
Gwen, shut up.
By my ankle.
Come on, Gwen.
Oh my god.
Come on. Like Chaser. Like Chaser.
Gwen! 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 This is the best idea. Break.
Does anybody, do you have the scissors?